Hello to everyone. Today we will discuss about the 9th class physics chapter and the remaining the two problems 7.6 and also in this class we have to solve the 7.7 also. Okay. So what is the problem? The problem is very simple. This problem is based on the equation of motion. The problem is a car accelerates the uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. Okay. So in 5 seconds. Then calculate. So the acceleration and second one the distance covered by the car in that time. Okay. They will be given uniformly from means stagnant. Okay. So 18 km to 36 km. Okay. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೈತಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18 km per hour ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 36 km per hour ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಲರೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now we already given about the given data. The initial velocity we have to taken as the 18 km per hour. Then we have to convert it into meter per second. As well as the final velocity 36 km per hour. This is also we have to convert it into meter per second. Then the time 5 seconds and we have to find out the acceleration. Yes means we can find out the distance. So 18 km per hour as we have to convert it into kilometer per hour ಇದನ್ನ meter per now second ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ already you know about that, but just we have to taken as the quick revision. Okay. So 18 km. So 18 km into we have to convert it into hour to meter. So meter divided by so kilometer to meter and hour to second. Okay. That's one 18 into 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's we can taken as the 1000. Okay. The seconds we can taken as the 1 minute is equal to the 60 seconds and 1 hour is taken as equal to the 3600 seconds. Okay. These two zeros and these two zeros are cancelled. Next 18 ones are 18 twos are. Okay. Next 2 ones are 2 fives are. Okay. That's fine. So this is equal to 5 meter per second. So that's we have to write directly. Same formula we have to use and we have to take on the 5 meter second. Then you also taken as the same formula. Just in the number of 18 we have to add the 36 remaining the 3600 seconds will be same. We have to bifurcate that and we have to get the 10 meter per second. I hope you understand. Directly we can move towards. So we know the formula of acceleration. A is equal to v minus u divided by t. We know the final velocity and initial velocity and we also know the time. That's fine. A is equal to final velocity 10 meter per second, initial velocity 5 meter per second divided by it will be taken as the time 5 seconds. So A is equal to 10 minus 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay, that's fine. The acceleration is 1 meter per second. This is our acceleration. Okay, this is the first one. And second one, so the distance covered by the car in that time. How much of the distance the car will be traveled? I mean it will be covered at the 5 seconds. We know that the formula. So distance S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, we know the initial velocity, we know the time, and we have to take as the half as it is same, and we find out the acceleration and we know the time. Okay, that's fine. S is equal to initial velocity is 5 meter per second and the taken as the time it is also 5 seconds plus 1 divided by 2. A, we find out the A 1 meter per second. So 1 into t square we have to write 5 square, or we can also write 5 into 5 square. Then S is equal to 5 5s are 5 plus half into. So 5 is 25 onde 25 5 5s are 25 into 1 25. Okay. So we have to bifurcate here. 2 ones are and 2 ones are. And next 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 will be there. You can add the point, it will be the 10. So 2 5s are 10. Or we can also bifurcate like the method 25 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 0. You can take as the 5. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, and we have to add 1 point here, taken as the 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay, that's fine. S is equal to 25 plus half into 12.5. Now S is equal to 25 plus 12.5 into 1, 12.5. Okay, so S is equal to 25 plus 12.5. How much? It will be taken as 37.5. So meter. This meter per second. This is the distance covered. Okay, or we can also write meter. Not about taken as the centimeter. The distance 37.5 meter. Now we have taken here. When how much acceleration will be taken? The acceleration is taken 1 meter per second, and the distance covered by the car in that time. How much the distance it will be covered? It will be covered 37.5 meter. This is our final answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the problem 7.7. The problem is the brakes applied to the car produced an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. In the opposite is nothing but we can take it as the minus to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after apply the brakes and calculate the distance traveled by during this time. Okay, when they will be apply the brake, when the car will be moving the 6 meter per second in the speed, suddenly they will be apply the brake in the opposite direction. It will be taken as the rest. It will be taken as the time 2 seconds. Okay, so in that 2 seconds, how much the distance the car will be traveled. Okay, so we have to write about the solution here. This is the acceleration 6 meter per second minus 6 meter per second because it is opposite. Then the time 2 seconds, and the V is the final velocity 0 meter per second. Why we can take it as the final velocity is 0? Because suddenly they will be apply the brake, it will be come to the rest. That's when we can take it as the V is 0 meter per second. Then what is V? V you don't know. That's when we have to find out V is simple formula. So V is equal to, or we can take an as V is equal to U plus 8. We don't know the U, but we know the V. 0 is equal to U plus into, again, what is the acceleration? The 6. So minus 6 and the time is 2 seconds. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 0 is equal to U plus minus 12 here. Minus into plus minus. So 0 is equal to U minus 12, or we can take over V here and it will be taken here. That's why U is equal to 12 meter per second. Or you can also write meter per second. Now we find out the U. Okay, then we will apply the formula on the distance traveled, how much the times it will be traveled at the moment. Okay, taken as the formula, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, S is equal to we find out 12 into the time 2 seconds plus half the acceleration they will be given minus 6 into t square 2 square, or you can also write 2 into 2. Okay, 12 2s are 24 plus half. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 6 4s are 24. So into minus into plus minus 24. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 24. So minus 12. Okay, we have taken as a sign here. So minus 12 into 1 minus 12. So plus into minus 12 here. So 24 we have to minus the 12. Remaining how much? It will be taken as only 12 meter. So in the when they will be apply the brakes, the how much distance it will be traveled? It will be traveled 12 meter. This is our final answer. Okay. Thank you.